Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for July 6, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, for quite a while now, we've been in an uptrend here for the euro. You can see the blue trend line coming back to the middle part of May, representing the rising trend. But in the past couple of weeks, we've been kind of stuck in a bit of a range. A little black box up here, top right-hand corner of that trend. You can see bouncing between the blue zone at the bottom, which is 1.119075, and the current resistance high, which is the purple zone, 1.131525. What's interesting about that today is that's where the market is today, challenging the top of this little box, this range, and the resistance zone at the very top. Let's zoom it in on that a little bit. And you can see there it is, challenging that purple shaded area, 1325, 1.1315. So the question today is twofold. Is it going to break above that purple zone and go higher, or is it going to bounce off and go back down? Last time we were here, the market found resistance into the purple shaded area, bounced, and turned all the way back down to the blue zone. So that's not out of expectation that it would do that, because it's done it before. And really, the past two times, if you go all the way back here, the first time coming back down underneath there, it went all the way down to the blue zone. So that is part of our expectation, is that it finds resistance and turns around and goes back down to the blue zone. It doesn't have to. It could break on through there and continue to go higher, but that should be part of our scenario, is that we're watching for resistance and reversal to go back down. The other side of that, of course, is a break above the purple shaded area. Continues to go to the yellow zone beyond there. If it goes above there, that's not too hard to see. That's what it did the last two times. And of course, beyond there, the ultimate high all the way up here at the top of the trend, which is this blue shaded area near the 1.1395, 1.1410 level. And that's where it went the last high before it turned around and went back down. So purple zone, let's zoom our focus in on that. Of course, underneath there, the green zone, 1.128570 is the next support level lower. Let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. So here we are, challenging that purple shaded area again today. Again, I don't think that, at least right now, at the very current moment here at just about 7:55 a.m. Eastern U.S. time when I'm recording this video, that you want to buy this. Underneath that purple zone, we're running into resistance. Buying it right now just doesn't seem like a good logical trading decision into resistance. For me, it's going to need to break above that purple shaded area. Get a candle body above the purple shaded area before I look for a new buy. Why do I do that? That's simply because of what happened right here. That's a great example right there at the red circle. It got above it, sat on top of the green zone, and then continued to go up. I basically want to see the same thing happen above the purple zone, which happened right here. Guess what? We can also observe a false breakout. And let's just put this one right here, and we'll change that circle to black. And by doing that, we can see this was not a full candle body above the green zone, turned around and went back down. So take a look at the two circles, the black and the red. That gives us an idea of what we're going to look for up here at the purple shaded area. If it just tests above it and then gets right back below it, like it did at the black circle, we don't want to buy it. We'd more likely want to look for a short. If it tests above it and stays above it, like it did at the red circle, we'd more likely look for a long scenario for the euro dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.